This article describes the geography of the United States territory of Guam. Location: Oceania, island in the North Pacific Ocean, about a quarter of the way from the Philippines to Hawaii. United States map references. Oceania area total 544 square kilometers. Land 544 square kilometers. Water 0 square kilometers. Area 3 times the size of Washington, D.C. Land boundaries approximately 30 miles long and 9 miles wide, narrowing to 4 miles at the center. Coastline 125.5 kilometers. Maritime claims territorial sea 12 nanometers. Exclusive Economic Zone 200 nanometers. The southern maritime boundary of Guam forms a border with the Federated States of Micronesia, and the northern maritime boundary forms a border with the Commonwealth of the Northern Marianas Islands. Climate: tropical marine, generally warm and humid, moderated by northeast trade winds. Dry season from January to June. Wet season from July to December. Little seasonal temperature variation. Terrain: volcanic origin, surrounded by coral reefs. Relatively flat coralline limestone plateau, with steep coastal cliffs and narrow coastal plains in north, low-rising hills in center, mountains in south. Elevation extremes: lowest point, Pacific Ocean, 0 meters. Highest points: Mount Lamlam, 406 meters, Mount Jumalong-Mangler, 391 meters, Mount Balanos, 368 meters. Natural resources: commercial fishing, recreational fishing of Indo-Pacific blue marlin, wahoo, mahi-mahi, yellowfin tuna, and deep-water reef fish. Tourism. Land use: arable land, 1.85%. Permanent crops, 16.67%. Other, 81.48%. Irrigated land. Natural hazards: frequent squalls during wet season, relatively rare, but potentially very destructive typhoons. Environment. Current issues: extirpation of native bird population by the rapid proliferation of the brown tree snake, an exotic species. Island also supports feral populations of introduced deer, pigs and caribou. Geography. Note: largest and southernmost island in the Mariana Islands archipelago. Strategic location in western North Pacific Ocean. Extreme points. This is a list of the extreme points of Guam, the points that are farther north, south, east or west than any other location. Northernmost point, Ritidian Point. Easternmost point, Patty Point. Southernmost point, Cocos Island. Southernmost point, Aga Point. Westernmost point, O'Rourke Point.